Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install GCC and G++ compiler on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So let's open their terminal and on this here. So there you need to write this command sudo apt install GCC. Give their password and now you can see all that's come there installing dependencies this right there why press enter. So this here is now currently doing the download. So currently doing the download and this is the progress status and now this tab. Thereafter let's use the clear command. If I write gcc minus minus version, so you can see 15% that install. Okay, now let's use the carrier command. Then I'm going to install their G++. So for this one, we need to write the command sudo apt install G++. Press enter and this installing G++ is dependencies. Right there why press enter. Now here you can see get one and this is the progress and this done here. Let's use the clear command. If I write G++ minus minus version, then you can see 15% that install. So this is how we can easily install GCC and G++ compiler on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.